Welcome back to Tech Egadget. In today's video, we are counting down the best portable washing machines of 2025. Whether you live in an apartment, dorm, recreational vehicle, or just want a space-saving laundry solution, these picks offer the perfect balance of performance, convenience, and value. We will cover 5 excellent options, from compact designs to large-capacity washers, and share where you can find them on Wayfair and Amazon. Let's dive right in and see which portable washer fits your needs. Number 5. The BODACIOUS 2.0 cubic feet. Portable washing machine is a strong choice for anyone looking for a compact but capable washer. With its modern gold finish and space-saving design, it is well suited for apartments, dormitories, recreational vehicles, or smaller homes. Despite its portable size, it can handle up to 17.7 pounds of laundry, making it useful for everyday clothes as well as larger items like blankets, towels, and work pants. This washing machine includes 10 wash cycles, such as quick wash, heavy duty, tub clean, soak wash, and tub air dry, giving flexibility to meet a wide range of laundry needs. The clear light-emitting diode display shows the cycle in progress and the remaining wash time, keeping you fully informed. Operation is very quiet at only 55 decibels, so it will not disturb your surroundings. The dynamic unbalance detection system helps the washer stay stable during spins, reducing vibration and extending the life of the machine. A child lock is included for safety. The washer is designed for efficiency, with a high-efficiency motor and a 24-hour delayed start option that makes laundry more convenient and energy-saving. Its IPX4 waterproof rating means it is safe to use in humid environments, adding durability. Owners report excellent performance. Many highlight its quiet operation, lightweight design, and ability to clean heavy clothing and even queen-size bedding. Clothes come out fresh and nearly dry after the final spin. Overall, the BODACIOUS portable washing machine delivers convenience, reliability, and cleaning power in a compact design that is perfect for smaller living spaces. Number 4. The BLACK+DECKER 0.9 cubic feet. Portable washer is a reliable and compact laundry solution designed for small homes, apartments, and off-grid living. With a 6.6 pound capacity, it is ideal for everyday loads such as clothing, towels, and small blankets. Its lightweight design, roller wheels, and side handles make it easy to move and store when not in use. This washer includes 5 wash cycles: heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, giving enough flexibility to handle different laundry needs. It uses cold water only, with 3 load size options to help conserve water. The stainless steel tub is durable and rust resistant, and the transparent lid allows you to view the washing process. Safety is addressed through features like automatic unbalance detection, auto shutoff, and a child lock for peace of mind. The Quick Connect sink adapter and drain hose simplify setup, and for those living off-grid, bucket filling is possible, though it requires some hands-on management. Users have praised the washer for its quiet operation, powerful cleaning, and ease of use. One reviewer noted how effective it is with off-grid bucket filling, while another highlighted its ability to clean as well as larger traditional washers. Although its capacity is smaller than some portable models, the BLACK+DECKER washer is efficient, dependable, and well-suited for small living spaces. It delivers strong performance in a compact design, making it a smart alternative to laundromat trips and a convenient solution for anyone needing a space-saving washing machine. Number 3. The COMFEE 1.6 cubic feet. Portable washing machine is a compact and dependable choice for small apartments, recreational vehicles, and dormitory living. With an 11-pound capacity, it strikes a good balance between portability and functionality, making it suitable for everyday laundry without taking up too much space. Its sleek magnetic gray finish and stainless steel inner tub add durability and a modern look. This fully automatic washer offers 6 wash programs, including normal, heavy, delicate, quick, bulky, and spin only. It also provides 3 water temperature settings and an extra rinse option for added cleaning power. The clear lid lets you check progress at any time, while the control panel is simple to operate. Features such as a child lock, delay start, and the ability to add laundry mid-cycle add to its convenience. Energy efficiency is another highlight, with the machine consuming up to 84% less energy compared to similar models. User experiences reflect strong satisfaction. One reviewer noted it handled multiple pairs of jeans and work uniforms with ease, praising the powerful spin cycle and ease of setup. Another buyer living in an older apartment appreciated its quiet performance, straightforward kitchen sink hookup, and portability when paired with a dolly. Both agreed it does an excellent job of cleaning while saving space. Overall, the COMFEE 1.6 cubic feet portable washer is practical, efficient, and user-friendly. It delivers reliable performance, making it a smart investment for anyone needing a compact washing solution. Number 2. The Elevon 20-pound portable washing machine is a compact and practical twin-tub washer designed for apartments, dormitories, and recreational vehicles. With a 12-pound washing capacity and an 8-pound spinning capacity, it offers enough room for everyday laundry while keeping a small footprint. At under 32 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to move, making it a good option for those with limited space. This washer is simple to operate with 3 control knobs for wash timer, wash mode, and spin timer. The wash cycle can run up to 15 minutes while the spin cycle runs up to 5 minutes, giving flexibility to handle small and medium loads. A powerful 260-watt washing motor and 140-watt spinning motor deliver strong performance. The twin tub design allows washing and spinning at the same time, saving time and effort. A built-in filter collects lint and debris, keeping the water cleaner and helping with maintenance. The transparent window is a helpful touch, letting you check the progress of your laundry. Clothes come out impressively dry from the spinner, reducing overall drying time. Users have praised how well it works for small households, with one reviewer noting its efficiency for weekly use and another highlighting the spinner's powerful performance, making trips to the laundromat unnecessary. Overall, the Elevon 20-pound portable washing machine is affordable, easy to use, and effective. It is a great fit for singles or couples who need a space-saving washer that delivers reliable cleaning and quick spin drying. Number 1. The ROVSUN 30-pound full automatic portable washing machine is a large capacity solution that combines washing and spin drying in one compact unit. With its light gray finish and stainless steel drum, it offers both durability and a modern design that fits well in apartments, homes, or dormitories. Despite being portable, it provides the power and functionality of a standard washer, making it a practical choice for families or heavy laundry users. This washer offers 8 washing modes and 8 water levels, giving flexibility to handle everything from delicate fabrics to bulky loads. The diamond-patterned inner drum helps protect clothing while ensuring a deep clean. For convenience, the air dry function promotes airflow, leaving clothes fresher and shortening drying times. A self-cleaning option keeps the drum hygienic, while the child, lock, and adjustable feet add safety and stability. User experiences highlight its strong performance and impressive size. One reviewer praised its quiet operation and efficient cleaning power, noting that it is ideal for small spaces without sacrificing results. Another reviewer compared it to a commercial washer, emphasizing its surprisingly large capacity and powerful spin cycle that leaves clothes nearly dry. Both agreed that setup is straightforward thanks to the built-in drain pump. Overall, the ROVSUN 30-pound portable washer is more than just a compact machine. It is a full-service laundry solution. With its spacious capacity, versatile wash programs, and reliable design, it delivers convenience and performance that rivals traditional washers while saving space.